Human-machine interaction, HMI. Every time you use a smartphone, ATM, or computer, you are interacting with a machine. But have you ever wondered how this interaction is designed and improved? Welcome to Lecture 5. In this lecture, you will learn what human-machine interaction, HMI, is, the components of HMI, types of user interfaces, real-world applications across industries. What is human-machine interaction? Human-machine interaction refers to the communication and interaction between humans and machines. This interaction happens through a user interface. The goal of HMI is simple: to make machines easy, efficient, and intuitive to use. Human-computer interaction, HCI. HMI is closely related to human-computer interaction, HCI. HCI focuses on how people interact with computers and digital systems. It includes three main components: the user, the computer, the interaction between them. Types of user interfaces. Different systems use different types of interfaces. Graphical user interface, GUI, uses visual elements like icons, buttons, and menus. Example: smartphones, computers, and mobile apps. Command line interface, CLI, uses text-based commands. Example: programming environments and system administration tools. Natural user interface, NUI, uses natural actions like touch, voice, or gestures. Example: voice assistants, touchscreens, gesture-controlled systems. Real-world applications across industries. In healthcare, doctors use digital systems to view patient records and medical images. User-friendly interfaces reduce errors and improve decision-making. Banking. ATMs and mobile banking apps allow users to perform transactions easily. Education. E-learning platforms provide interactive learning experiences through user-friendly interfaces. Engineering and industry. Control panels and dashboards allow operators to manage complex systems. Transportation. Modern vehicles include dashboards with navigation, alerts, and control systems. Case study: smartphone interface. Consider a smartphone. It combines multiple interaction methods: touchscreen, GUI, voice commands, NUI, sensors for gestures and motion. This design makes the device intuitive and accessible to millions of users. The main goals of HMI include improving usability, increasing efficiency, reducing errors, enhancing user satisfaction. A well-designed system allows users to complete tasks easily without confusion or frustration. Advantages of good HMI design. Good HMI design provides simplicity, faster learning and usage, reduced operational costs, better user experience. Example: a well-designed medical system can help healthcare professionals make faster and more accurate decisions. Disciplines contributing to HMI. HMI is a multidisciplinary field. It combines knowledge from cognitive psychology, computer science, engineering and design, artificial intelligence, human factors. Each discipline contributes to improving interaction between humans and machines. Despite its benefits, HMI also presents challenges. Key challenges include designing for diverse users, balancing simplicity and functionality, ensuring accessibility, maintaining security and privacy. Example: a complex interface may confuse users and reduce system efficiency. Future trends in HMI. HMI continues to evolve. With advancements in technology, emerging trends include voice-controlled systems, gesture-based interaction, augmented and virtual reality, brain-computer interfaces. These technologies aim to make interaction more natural and immersive. Why this matters to you? No matter your field, you will interact with digital systems. Understanding HMI helps you use technology more effectively, design better systems, improve user experience, adapt to new technologies. Conclusion: In this lecture, we have learned the concept of human-machine interaction, types of user interfaces, applications across industries, importance of user-centered design. Effective interaction is key to successful technology adoption. In the next episode, we will explore future trends in emerging technologies and how innovation will shape the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.